Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to fix your followers unfollow too often on TikTok. So let's get started. So if you have a new followers, but the followers that you have received will be unfollowed too often. So if you want to avoid that, then what you can do is just follow some easy steps. So open up your TikTok. After opening up your TikTok, just tap on the profile icon which is on the bottom right, then tap on the three bar icon which is on the top right, and then tap on settings and privacy. Scroll all the way down and then tap on report a problem. After tapping on report a problem, now you just have to report your problem. So now what you can do is just simply tap on interest. So from here what you have to do is just simply tap on interactions and then tap on follow. And after tapping on follow, now you will find this option which is following too fast. Just tap on it, and after tapping on it, now to avoid this, what you have to do is, if you have following accounts, so here you can see guys this message which says if you have been following accounts too quickly, you may have received an alert you have following account too quickly. So what you can do is just simply try it later. Please try it after 24 hours, and after doing that you should fix your problem. But if that did not fix your problem, then what you can do is just tap on others, and after tapping on others, now what you can do is just simply enter your problem. So what you can do is just tap on need more help, and after tapping on need more help, you can just type in your feedback. So just type in that followers unfollow too often on my account, please fix that problem. And you can also enter an image, so you can just simply take a screenshot of the problem that you are facing and then enter it, and then submit your feedback. And after submitting your feedback, TikTok will react to your feedback and then try to fix your problem in few days. So that's it guys, this is how to fix you unfollow too often on TikTok. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.